Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download your Google AI Studio project. So, it's pretty simple. You have to first of all navigate to any browser you have, go to the search bar and type in Google AI Studio. Now, click on the link that says aistudio.google.com and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you'll have to make sure you're logged in and simply open the project you want to download. So in the recent projects just right here, you'll have to click on the project that you've been working on. Now, it will take you to the projects page. So, as you can see, this is my projects page. I generated a random color picker. Now, in order to download my Google AI Studio project, I'll have to simply click on this download app button just right here. Now, as you can see, the app just got downloaded. I can simply open it in my downloads folder and all the files from my app will be just right here. So this is a zip file because Google AI Studio will package your project files and a zip file will automatically start getting downloaded on your PC. So you can do all the changes here. You can ask for suggestions. You can edit anything you want, all the elements, and simply click on the download app and this will instantly create the zip file and download it on your computer. Now, if you want to share the app, simply click on the share icon at the top right and you can copy this and share this link with anyone you want. So, the simple way is clicking on this download app button and that will instantly download your Google AI Studio app to your PC. And you can later import these into another AI workspace, GitHub, local development, or backup storage. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.